So now we're out in the garage with Brian Morgan of JohnDow Equipment Division. And Brian's going to share with us about JohnDow Equipment. So Brian, tell us a little bit about what JohnDow Industries has to offer our industry.
So JohnDow has a full line of professional grade oil drains, fluid handling equipment, gas caddies. We have a little bit of everything for the shop, from hose reels to tire taxis to make moving tires around your shop easy and safer. Just a little bit of everything, and really on the professional grade side. So we just recently introduced a new line of fluid evacuators, kind of getting more into your DIY, your home mechanic. So we have everything from basic entry level all the way up to the highest end, highest quality oil drains and fuel handling equipment possible.
So I noticed this piece of equipment we have here, this oil evacuator.
Yep. So oil evacuation has been very, very popular recently. A lot of import cars, drain plugs are going away, sealed transmissions make it a little more difficult for the technician to work on the vehicle. So they're going to start doing a lot more of the oil evacuation and fluid evacuation from under the hood rather than below the car. Makes it a lot easier. We have a lot of different models. This is a 6-gallon fluid evacuator all the way up to a 20-gallon, which you see right over here. This one also has a bowl that you can measure how much fluid you're coming out, which is important because the technician wants to make sure that he's getting whatever he's taking out, he's putting that much back in.
So besides oil drains, what else do you guys carry?
So JohnDow is also known for our fuel handling equipment.
Okay.
We have a full line of professional grade UL listed, which is very important for the shop owner, that it does have that certification that it is safe to use. So when you're pulling fuel, you got to be safe. So we have air operated ones, 25 gallon, all up to 30 gallon, either hand manual pumps or air operated to make that job a little faster. When you're pulling gas tanks down, you want to make sure you're safe, transferring that fuel into a safe container before you put it back in the vehicle.
Okay. And I noticed that we're hooked up under the hood here.
Yep.
Now I notice this beauty of a light.
This is a nice.
Is this one of yours?
This is part of this is another division of ours, the advanced lighting systems, the ALS lights. Very high end, professional grade lights, everything from underhood lights to your handhelds for your technician to really get in there and see where he's working at, or for inspections. When you're doing a vehicle inspection to tell the customer what's going on, you can get a nice light in there, get a nice picture so they can relay that information back to the customer.
Can I see that?
Sure.
So this is what got my attention on this was it's magnetic.
Correct. All the lights have magnets on them, which just makes it so versatile, so easy to use anywhere on the vehicle.
So a technician who's doing a digital inspection, he's under a car.
Yep.
He wants to get this really nice picture and he can't. Well, now all he's got to do is hook this up.
Yeah, he does. We also have headlights as well.
Headlights as well?
That's right.
Excellent. Good. So I would highly recommend something like this. Okay. What else do you have?
So in addition to a lot of our oil and fluid handling products, we also have fuel handling products.
Okay.
This is one of our workhorses. This is our 25-gallon steel UL approved gas caddy. The UL approval on these is very important when it comes to your insurance for the shop owner. It's safe, it's been tested, it's not going to leak on you or break or anything like that or rupture or like that. So very important when it comes, like I said, the insurance for your car dealership, even for your local shop, just handling fuel, you want to be safe with it.
Right. How many gallons is this?
This is 25 gallon.
25 gallons.
It's a two-way pump, so you can pull out, and then when that drop your tank, do whatever you have to do the repair, and then you can put the fuel back in as well. Okay. So it's a two-way pump on it.
So how long has JohnDow equipment been around?
So JohnDow's been around since 1984, and we've always been over the years just adding products to our line that makes sense, that helps the shop, that's relevant with the times, keeping up with the different way cars are getting worked on. So we're always trying to be on the edge of what's happening out there. That goes with the fluid evacuators and also with the fuel. And being that safety with the fuel is what's key.
Safety, innovation, quality.
That's correct. All of them.
Those are three things I'm hearing.
Sure.
In JohnDow.
3 pillars that we stand behind, and that we want to make sure we put a safe, quality product out there out in the market.
Okay.
To help today's technicians.
All right.
Well, Vic, thanks for coming over to the garage and learning more about the JohnDow equipment. It was a pleasure having you today. I'd like to introduce you to Jason Hart. He's our Eurovent manager, and he'll let you know what we have going on the exhaust side of our business.
Great. Let's go.
Perfect.